Hello, this is Halvor. I'm going to show you my little train station that I built. So we're at the town square of Pupperland with the rainbow born flag. Really nice. Let's go for, well, probably isn't going to be a train there, but we can go to the train station that exists on my little island. Over the little bridge, past the trees, past the rocks with stuff that I haven't collected because I'm lazy. And we're at the entrance to the little station. So we've got like a little footbridge that goes over, which is probably quite similar to a lot of national rail stations that exist in the UK. Got a little double arrow sign to say it's a train station. Up above we've got the platform edge, so stand back unlike what I'm doing on the platform edge. We've got machines, which, you know, a lot of stations in the UK don't have, but mine does. Someone's left the luggage, which will probably get destroyed by the British Transport Police, but this is Animal Crossing, so we don't have that. So yeah, I am completely safe with my network rail jumper. Crossing rail jumper, obviously, no brands, but right, little train track. Trains, sadly. Not in this game. Got the seats. Just gonna wait for the train, that'll never arrive. At the back we've got a couple of shops. The late opening Greggs, so this must be Newcastle. With some sausage rolls, obviously because it's Greggs. We've got a little shop that sells some workwear, because of course it does. And some steps away into the wilderness. And that's the little train station area at the moment. Hopefully it should get better at some point, but for now I'm going to sit and wait for a train. Bye!